In this video, I'll teach you how to make shrimp, scallops, and asparagus stir-fry. I'll be using 350 grams of this long and thin kind of green asparagus. From the supermarket, I got these bags of 500 grams of frozen shrimp and 270 grams of frozen scallops. Taken out of the bags, it's about this much. Defrost them under running water and dry them with a kitchen towel. And now they are ready to season with some salt, a little bit of sugar, and some freshly ground pepper. Wash the asparagus and get ready to cut them in short pieces. Don't forget to chop up 2 cloves of garlic too. Start by putting a lot of butter in the pan. Add the chopped up garlic. Now you can add the shrimp and scallops. After slightly browning them on both sides, you can add the asparagus. Stir fry it for about 6 to 10 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, you can take a piece of asparagus out to see if you like the texture. Cook them for a little bit longer if you want them to be softer. You can also add some butter, salt, and pepper for more flavor.